Today, I am going to show you how I make this animated outline effect in Canva. After uploading your image, drag it to canvas and increase the size. Then remove the background. Once that is clean, we need 2 copies of this image, so just hit Command D or Control D on your keyboard to duplicate it. Now select one of the images, click Edit Photo, go to Effects, Shadows, and choose Outline. I usually change the color to white and adjust the size until it looks nice and chunky. Next, take that outlined version and layer it perfectly on top of the original image. They need to be aligned exactly. And here is the magic trick. Make sure you have the top layer selected, the one with the outline. Go to Animate and select the wipe effect. You can adjust the direction and speed right here. It makes it look like the line is being drawn on. If you want to keep your original background, just add the original image again and send it to the very back. Then go to Elements, search for a square, change the color to black, and lower the transparency. This makes your main image really pop, and here is the final result. A super simple way to level up your visuals.